This picture here. Ziggy Marley said he wanted a Jamaican to play Bob Marley but couldn't find a suitable actor. Ziggy, you in charge of this. Alright, but I talk to you, Bridget. So you couldn't find a Jamaican actor for Bob. No problem. I made that slide. How about, could you find a Jamaican actor for Rita Marley? Or how about, could you find a Jamaican actor for Peter Tosh? Could you find a Jamaican actor for... Or no, better yet, could you find a Jamaican actor for Sydney Breakspeare? Because the lady that you are having playing Sydney Breakspeare have less than 4,000 followers on our Instagram. When I personally know a Jamaican with over 600,000 followers on TikTok alone that could have played Sydney Breakspeare. But I'm not going to call her name. I'm going to throw me can, but I'm not going to call her a blood clot foul. I know even people that were passed up for Peter Tosh. Benjamin know enough Jamaican who no pass up. You did put two Jamaicans in some big roles. One was a white Jamaican, his name is Nestor, and you made him an Australian reporter. Big up Naomi Cowan, you're doing the thing. I went to school with you and your brother. You probably don't remember me. But let me explain something deeper than the Bob Marley movie. I'm going to talk about Jamaica selling out. The Bob Marley movie might attract people to the island for tourism. Most of the hotels are owned by foreigners. So that's sold out. The backside, sold out. Our land, our water, we sell out. Our electricity, we sell out. The people that own the rights to Bob Marley sell out. Bob Marley does not need Kingsley Ben-Adir to sell big. Nobody is going to that movie because of Kingsley Ben-Adir. I promise you that. They're going to watch Bob. So I tell you, you feel lose sleep over this. I hope to God every time you count your money, when you count your big old check them and your royalties coming in from that money, you sell out. You know, sell out Jamaica bad. Jamaica, you mean to tell me, say, Jamaica, the country where give you reggae music that spawn into hip-hop music. The country where give you dancehall music that spawn into reggaeton cannot hold paramount attention? Do you see how much millions of views people like me get online? Do you see how much millions of views Jamaicans get online? With blood clot take over TikTok. But you can't give in a movie. And Paramount come with for them monkey money and don't go on with it. Look what them do, shutters. Nah, so nothing after that. Me I go watch a movie. Yeah, me I go watch it. I promised myself I wasn't gonna get vexed. But you know, I'm sick and tired of it. Where is Jamaican's film industry? Where is it? In the 90s, let me tell you people, let me share something. In the 1990s, Jamaica got stigmatized. And because of that, many reggae artists missed the boat. And a lot of opportunities they were gonna have. That same sentiment reverberates today in 2024. Where they don't want to give Jamaica for them dues, but they'll be more than happy to take Jamaican stories.